Krieger.
Yeah.
Why are you so mad?
Because I'm a house cat, but I want to go out and roam like a lion in the jungle, but you never let me outside. Ever.
Stop.
Ow!
Shut up.
Who the hell are you talking to? Wow.
You want some more?
Want to fight over a fluffy toy, bro? I wasn't even trying to take your toy. You ain't have to slap the hair off my chin like that. Please don't cut my nails. Stop. Stop! Oh. I was just dreaming. Oh, man. Oh, that was a scary dream. Fight! Don't you run from me? And I use this machine right here to lose my cat fat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't need no more coffee. Hey, what's up? Show you pretty, Paul. Ooh, I'm out. Oh, why my eyes crossed? I can't see nothing. Slide. Okay, moonwalk. Moonwalk like Michael Jackson.